I definitely recommend getting a turf area in the school.
The children just love being out here, so it's been great for our school.
I'm a classroom teacher as well as the sports coordinator in the school.
I'm a classroom teacher. I've been teaching here for 6 years, and I am also co-leading the PE and health curriculum. This turf has made a huge difference to our school. It's no longer slippery. It's definitely a lot safer for children because if they fall over, they're not falling over on rough concrete, they're just falling off on the nice turf instead.
We usually take netball trainings during the winter seasons and it tends to rain.
One thing we noticed if it had been raining, we'd have to cancel trainings a lot because it was just too much of a hazard. Whereas if it's raining, we could still bring them out. They're always happy to train no matter what.
It's definitely versatile. We are able to adapt it to use it for many different sports because it's a multi-purpose court.
I think it just opens up the space in our school a lot more. Where we've got other turf in the school it might be being used, we now also have this to use as well.
Definitely made a difference to the children here. We can see all sorts of age groups using the courts from morning, lunch times and morning tea. Definitely life-changing for the kids. Yeah.
Thanks, Ecolon!